Okay guys, today we're going to cook a super nice al bacio dish, pasta dish, super nice, super easy. We're gonna use just some garlic and carrot. It's gonna cook pasta and carrot. You can chop roughly these carrots. We don't need small because we're gonna blend it. We're gonna make that cream. Okay? Garlic. Take some fresh mint. Put inside. Salt. Pepper. As always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel. Check our website cookingwithanitalia.com. We do very al bacio stuff. Okay? Put some garlic powder if you have. One little touch of soya sauce. And leave it to cook at least 5-6 minutes. Put some water because we're gonna need this water when we blend it. We move everything inside the jar here. This sauce you put inside. This pan leave there because we're gonna need for finish the pasta. Now in this we add this soft cheese. Is half, I use Philadelphia here. Put this inside. 80 grams of Parmesan. And start blend it slowly. Water boil. I'm gonna put fusilli. The sauce is this. Look at that. It's absolutely fantastic. Try salt and pepper. Delicious. Okay guys, the pasta is al dente. We're gonna cook another couple minutes in this pan. Add some water from the pasta. Sauce in. Oh yeah. And move the pasta in the sauce. Mix everything. Leave it to cook in the sauce another couple minutes. Look at that. Oh. Another little touch of water. The smell is amazing. Look delicious in your plate. And you can finish leaves of mint. Fusilli, carrot and mint is this. If you like, guys, always finger up and follow us. Ciao!